In this lecture, we take the example of DUIS rule number 2 or differentiation under integral sign rule number 2, or it is also called Leibniz rule. So question is, if f of x equal to integration of x minus t whole square gt with respect to t under the limit a to x, then show that d3f dx cube are third order derivative of f with respect to x minus 2 times of gx, which is equal to 0. So we have given f of x equal to integration under the limit a to x x minus t whole square gt with respect to t. Now, using DUIS rule or Leibniz rule, we have df dx. First, we have to take the derivative of f with respect to x. Here x is parameter and t is the variable, which is given by integration under the limit a to x partial derivative of x minus t whole square gt with respect to x dt plus the functional value of upper limit functional value of x minus t whole square gt at t equal to x. So let us put t equal to x over here. This will become x minus x whole square and g of t will become g of x, and derivative of upper limit, which is x with respect to x, minus functional value means this at x equal to t equal to 0. So x minus 0 whole square g of t, which gives us g of 0, and derivative of lower limit, which is a, not 0, it is a over here. Actually, this limit is not a, it is 0. This limit is 0. This limit is 0. Right? So we have this answer. Let us simplify it. This is 0 to x, integration under the limit 0 to x. 2 times of, if we want to find out derivative of x square, it is 2x. So 2 times of x minus t, gt dt, x minus x whole square is 0. G of x into derivative of x is 1, and this is x square g of 0, but derivative of 0 is 0. So lower limit is 0, upper limit part is also 0. Therefore, we have this 2 can be taken outside, and the limit is 0 to x minus t gt dt. Let us again apply DUIS rule. So d2f dx square, which is equal to integration under the limit 0 to a 0 to x 2 times of derivative with of x minus t into gt with respect to x dt plus 2 times of x minus, this we have to replace this t by upper limit x, so x minus x g of x and derivative of upper limit with respect to x minus 2 times of x minus 0 whole is not whole square, only x minus 0 g of 0 under, and derivative of lower limit, which is 0 with respect to x. Now x minus gt, that this gt we can take outside. Derivative of x minus t is 1. So 2 times of gt we have plus 2 times of this is 0 into gx into 1 minus 2x g of 0, and derivative of 0 with respect to x is 0. So this is 0 and this is also 0. So we have integration under the limit 0 to x 0 to x 2 times of gt dt. Let us again using applying DUIS rule, we have D3R total derivative of f, third order total derivative of wave with respect to x, which is given by integration under the limit 0 to x partial derivative of gt with respect to t plus 2 times of gx derivative of x upper limit with respect to x minus 2 times of g0, which is lower limit, and derivative of lower limit with respect to x. So now derivative of gt, because it is free from x, this will be ultimately it will become 0. This total part will become 0. So we have 2 times of gx, derivative of x is 1, minus 2 times of g0, derivative of 0 with respect to x is 0. So we have d cube f upon dx cube minus, let us replace this to left hand side, 2 times of gx, which is equal to 0. So this is which is the desired result, hence proved. Thank you.